Hi there, what I have here is a Sudoku board, and I just want to show you the quality of it and also what it comes with. So you can see here there is your normal Sudoku board, but also there is a tray that includes 9 tiles and 2 extra tiles. So the neat thing about this is that there is the 2 extra tiles in case you lose it. Now, just to give you a look on the size of the board, the width itself is 9 inches. And if I close this up here, it is also 9 inches. So it's basically a very good, perfect size. So what I mean by that is, a lot of people that tend to play this is, elderly and older folks. So it's nice to have a board instead of having a book, because with book, you need a reading glasses and your eyes might blur. Whereas a live board is, very decent for just your visual. Any visual issues you have. It's also good for kids, to not stare at basically either their iPad or, so you can see here, this is about 1/2 inch in size, each tile. So in case you're wondering with the 6s and 9s, the 6s and 9s with the 9 having an underscore. So right there, the 6s and 9s. So this is all wood. And I'll have this link in the description area of the video, but I just love the blue highlighting, and then also this self-storage tray. Now this isn't that big, so it's 9 by 9 inches, and it isn't that big where you'll find storage being an issue. So, it stores in many places without taking too much room. So I could take out this entire tray here. Now, one thing I did notice is that, it is all kind of built by glue, but it looks like it's interlocked pretty decently. That, if you don't abuse it, it'll it'll last. So here, it takes up, all the space here for the tiles. And on each tile, there's 2 colors. So there's red on this side and then black on the other side. It also comes with a playbook right here, so has good storage room in the back here. But I just like it. It's just one extra thing for the playroom. And just to give you a better look at the self-storage here, so there are all 9 tiles here. And if I just grab these, place these, so all of the 5s, and this is pretty good, for travel size. You can see right there, basically an almost empty board here. The travel size aspect of it, being only 9 by 9. And I guess I misplaced the 4s here, so I'm gonna go put it upside down. Now shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, and twist it all over. So if it's in your backpack, for example, right, as long as this doesn't come out, see how it stayed in place. So that's another awesome aspect. Shape stores well and doesn't come out of place. So does not come out of place, so that's good. And let me just go closer up so you can take a look at each tile, and that the tiles are a 1/2 inch itself. And just zooming out here, so, but that's really it. That's really what I wanted to show. I'm just trying to think if there's any other information. You can see that the build is pretty thick here on the sides. But I just love the self-storage aspect, and that you're also not storing on a book. One thing I didn't mention was there is these labels, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 9. And, somewhat like Monopoly Scrabble tiles. Yeah, they're about the size of Scrabble tiles. And they're inset, so they're inset and they go stick in place pretty well when you put the tile down. And you could easily move it, you know, like in a book, you're crossing out numbers, you know, and stuff like that, you know, whereas here, you know, you're just flipping them all over, you know, instead. So that's a nice, neat thing. But that's really it. I don't have anything else. If you have questions, you know, definitely, you know, ask me in the comment area, and you know, please buy through the links to support this channel, and subscribe to the channel to help this channel out. And thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.